Another tutorial, and the first thing we're going to do is the brows. So I'm going with my brow gel, and I'm just shaping them and fixing any stray hairs, um, and so that I can use my brow pencil. And I did use the brush just to fix any little stray hairs that did not get fixed with the gel. And then now I'm just filling them in so that it's easier when I go to use my brow color. That way it's almost like a guide, I guess, for me. So I just fill them in right there, and then I go in with my ColourPop brow color in an angled brush, and then I finish shaping my brows and giving them darkening them just a little bit, and then I went in with my shape tape and just went around my brows just to fix any brow gel or like not brow gel, the brow color that got on my skin. I wiped it off, and then anything that smeared I just covered with the shape tape. And then I blended that out, and then we'll move on. So now I'm going with my Laura Geller primer, and I'm just putting that on my face and smoothing it out to make it easier, and that way I like it to be dry before I put my foundation on, so it doesn't make the foundation move around on my skin. I did go ahead and put some foundation on my eyes so that I wouldn't have to touch it up. I just have to touch it up after I did my eyes. I put it below my eyes because it likes to smear when I put it on my eyes sometimes. So I put it below my eyes this time, and went on my eyelid and around so that it would be covered. So I went in with my Urban Decay Naked Smoked palette, and I used black. I'll have the exact color names listed down in the description, but I went in with a black and just smudged it around my eyes and shaped it, and then I used a dark gray to go around that so it blended it out a bit. And then I went in with a silver color. It looks blue, but it's actually a silver metallic shadow, and I did the outer corner of my eye, like the eyelid itself, in that, and then went along the lash line a little bit with it, and then right at the crease, just to give it a little bit of shape. I did that on both eyes, and then I went in with a light silver metallic eyeshadow and did the inner corner and blended it into the darker color. And I also just barely went under my eyes with it. And now I'm going with my ColourPop Creme liner and doing my waterline with it to define my eyes. And so yeah. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation all over my face, and then we'll blend that out. I love this foundation. It's amazing. I can't really describe it other than that. So yeah, I'm just going to blend that out with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And sorry if you can't really see it, I was trying to make sure I didn't get it on my eye makeup. But I wanted to get right up against it. So, yeah. So now I'm going with my Laura Geller Powder Foundation that I got for Christmas. And I just put that on my face just to make the foundation a little bit more full coverage. So now I'm going with my LA Girl Pro setting powder, and I was using a dry beauty blender, like a cheap beauty blender that I have had for a while, and I just pat it on my face very gently. I know it doesn't look gentle, it's just the sponge is very firm. So, yeah. And now I'm going with my Smashbox palette. I used the contour powder, and then I used just a little bit of the bronzing powder near the end. Like later on, I used it. And yeah. So now I'm going with my Laura Geller Baked Blush. And I just pat that right above the contour and kind of mixed it with the contour. And then I went in with my My Little Pony ColourPop highlighter. I don't know the name of it, but it's the purple highlighter, if you know what I'm talking about. And I just did my thing. So now I'm going with my CoverGirl Full Lash Bloom Mascara, and I'm going to apply that. And then I went in with one of the My Little Pony Ultra Matte Lips that I got for Christmas as well. And I applied that, and then we'll be done. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!